How's it going, everybody? Got a wicked awesome Mustang here. This is a 68 tube chassis drag car. It's got the nostalgic old Cobra Jet and Ford decals on it. It's a monster. The car was a factory S code 390 GT 4-speed, and it's still on a clear S code 390 title. Still has the door tag on it, but it's a beautiful car. It's an all steel car, except for this part of the hood. This is fiberglass. The front of the hood's steel. Got disc brakes on the front. Gaps on the doors and everything. It's got all glass, windshield, door glass. They roll up and down. The back glass is Lexan. Still got the original door jambs and original quarters, but the rest of it's, you know, made floor, sheet metal floor. All the gauges. It's got 2 Kirky seats. Still got some of the original interior panels in there, but been tubbed out. Very cool car. Show you inside the trunk. The car's got nitrous. The bottle is, I don't know if it's full, but it does have some in it. It's not just for looks. Body of the car, what's left, you know, as far as the original, is actually in a really good shape. It's really straight. Paint on it's nice. You can honestly put a street legal tire on it and some mufflers and drive it on the street. All the lights work. The cage was certified by the NHRA. Looks like 750 and slower. Might have to get a recert on that. MSD box. Doors shut real good. It's a beautiful car. took the hood off. You can see the motor. I think it's a Griffin radiator. Cobra Jet, aluminum heads. It's an SVO crate motor. Fuel pumps.